Alright folks, good morning. So I'll start out my day looking at this laptop and feeding the little man right here while the old lady heads over to the market. So folks, today I'm going to an event with a local buddy of mine. Hey, is that enough? You wanna play with your football? Alright, so I gotta get him, but today, taking you on a little adventure. I'll be right back. Fatima. Yeah, could you bring me some calamansi for my San Mig Light? I made a big error. I forgot the calamansi. Or you know what? Just come get the San Mig Light, bring it in there, put the calamansi, bring it back. I don't want juice all over my desk. Hello, beautiful girl. Folks, say hello to my beautiful wife. My goodness. Baby, put some calamansi in there. I made a huge mistake by forgetting that. Thank you very much. Hey, say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
Check out, see what this chick's cooking over here. Whoa! Shh. Hey, what you got over here? Oh shit, she got some fish going on, my friends. She at the market. Why is this rice bubbling, baby? Looks like you're making a batch of whiskey over there. What you got over here? You got one more fish? How many fish did you buy?
Huh.
She bought a half a kilo of fish. Got some pantsy going on. Filipina love to eat fish. They sure stink up the house though. Our folks rolling in the tricycle. Headed over to Cheap Charlie's, meet my buddy over there. And we're going to a gathering here in the Philippines. That's all I'm gonna say. Going to a gathering, and you know what kind of gathering I'm talking about. I can't say it, and I can't film it, can't broadcast it. This type of gathering that I'm going to. Fucking YouTube. All my friends rolling out of Barrio Barreto and chilling with my buddies here. And my friend, tell us where we're going again. Dinalupian.
Yes, the biggest arena here in Longapo.
Okay, folks, there you go. The biggest arena, but I'm calling this is the biggest gathering. Yes. We're going to a gathering of local folks here in the Philippines. That's all I can tell you. And I'm rolling with my friends. Hey man, introduce yourself. What's your name, brother?
I'm a taxi driver in Longapo. My name is Sherwin Gomez.
Sherwin?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm rolling with Sherwin.
My name is Chris. I've been here for 30 years, you know. It's my hometown. Take care of my buddy.
Alright folks, I'm rolling with Sherwin and Chris. And we are rolling to a gathering. That's all we can say. Because of YouTube's rules, I can't get banned from YouTube at this point over their little technicalities. But we are going to a gathering, and we're rolling out of Barrio Barreto, and it's going to be a good little adventure, my friends. I'll show you as much of this adventure as I can without getting in trouble with the Google and YouTube gods. So here we go. Alright folks, so here we are at this gathering, and you got a bar and grill over here called Roosters. Some might call this Roosters Bar and Grill review, but actually where we're at is called the Dinalupian Coliseum. This gathering of people here, but that's about as far as I can take you. I gotta go partake in this gathering. I'll check you guys on the flip side. That's a sweet, sweet ride right there. All right, folks, I'm going to welcome you to this gathering. This gathering of folks here, this lawful gathering of folks here in the Philippines. And I want to welcome you. I can't show you what's going on or tell you what's going on. Chris was kind enough to get me a cold sand make light while I chill out at this motherfucking gathering. And that shit is cold. And it's going down the hatch. Alright, I gotta go downstairs. Now folks, I don't know if you can see on the other side of all these houses over here. But it's a beautiful, beautiful view with the fog and the mist and the clouds on these mountains. Oh my goodness. We just left this gathering. And all I gotta say is my pockets are light. My pockets aren't heavy, my pockets are light. I'm gonna make up a song called, you know, featherweight pockets, my pockets are light, boom, 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 boom. But we had a great time, my friends, so we're headed back over here. Oh my goodness, boom, Panis, Santa see-through, Labrador Church. Alright, so we're headed home, my friends. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure with this gathering over here in, where we at, man? What's the name of this? Dinalupian.
Bataan.
In Bataan, my friends.
The old Japanese station here.
That's it. A lot of Japanese here in Bataan. If you're not familiar with the Bataan Death March. Alright, folks, we're already back in the Subic Bay Freeport zone. Rolling strong. Alright, this right here says Holy Land. I'm not sure what that's about. Is that a church over there, my friends?
Yeah, this was an old church.
That's an old church right there. 500 years old. Security Plaza overpass where we're coming into. Gotta pay the toll right up in here. But according to my friends, we're back on the base. Back on the Subic Bay Freeport zone, my friends. And let's see if we see. Got the police over there. Then fuck the police coming straight from the underground. Folks, we're gonna roll through a tunnel right here. Check out them rocks, my friend. Looks beautiful. And my buddy in the bag said he loved Jordan Belfort. And I said, who the fuck is Jordan Belfort? Then I said, oh shit, that's Wolf of Wall Street, my friends. Look at this beautiful, beautiful view right here. Got a little bit of rain coming down. Got the 1203. The 1203 rolling in front of us. No, actually, that's jet fuel right there going somewhere. That's Jet A1.